Ever wondered why data integration is critical in today's digital world? In an era where we're producing an astounding amount of data daily, it's more important than ever to make sense of it all. Picture this. Every minute, we send hundreds of millions of emails, generate millions of searches, and upload hours upon hours of content. That's a lot of data, and it's growing exponentially. But raw data in its isolated form is like unrefined gold, valuable, yet its true potential is untapped. This is where data integration comes in, acting as a bridge that brings together disparate data from multiple sources. It's like a master chef, blending diverse ingredients to create a dish that's greater than the sum of its parts. Data integration enables us to see the bigger picture, to understand patterns and trends that would otherwise remain hidden in the sea of information. But it's more than just connecting the dots. Data integration is the backbone of business intelligence. It provides the fuel for predictive analytics, powering forecasts that help organizations anticipate market trends, customer behavior, and potential risks. It's like a compass guiding businesses towards informed and strategic decision-making, enabling them to navigate an increasingly complex and data-driven world. Furthermore, data integration is instrumental in crafting an effective business strategy. It's the foundation upon which we build our understanding of the market landscape, customer preferences, and competitive dynamics. Without it, businesses are like ships sailing in the dark, with no map or compass to guide them. So in essence, data integration is not just important, it's indispensable. It's the key that unlocks the treasure trove of insights hidden within the vast ocean of data that engulfs us. It's the lens that brings clarity to our vision, enabling us to make sense of the world around us, to make informed decisions, and to drive our businesses forward. As we delve deeper into this topic, we will explore various methods of data integration and their applications in real-world scenarios. Let's take a look at how data warehousing plays a pivotal role in data integration. For those unfamiliar, data warehousing is a technique used for storing and analyzing vast amounts of data. It's like a massive library where data from various sources is cataloged, making it easy to find the information you need when you need it. But this isn't just any library. This one is specially designed for the digital age, a place where data is not just stored, but also transformed into meaningful insights. Now imagine you're a large multinational corporation. You have offices in dozens of countries, each generating its own mountain of data. Sales data, customer data, operations data, the list goes on. How do you make sense of all this information? This is where data warehousing comes into play. By consolidating data from various sources into one centralized system, this corporation can gain a bird's-eye view of its operations. No longer is data scattered across disparate systems. Instead, it's harmonized, ready for analysis. Think about the benefits of this. With a data warehouse, the corporation can analyze trends, identify inefficiencies, and make strategic decisions. It's like having a crystal ball, showing not just the past and present, but also potential futures. Let's consider a real-life example. Take a major retail corporation. By employing data warehousing, they're able to integrate data from their physical stores, e-commerce platforms, and social media channels. This allows them to understand customer behavior better, predict trends, and adjust their strategies accordingly. They can see which products are selling well, which promotions are effective, and even predict future demand. And all this is possible because of the power of data warehousing in data integration. This case study shows just one application of data warehousing, but the possibilities are endless. From healthcare to finance, transportation to education, data warehousing is redefining how we understand and use data. That was a glimpse of how data warehousing facilitates data integration, but there's more to explore. Now, let's pivot to another method of data integration, data blending. Data blending is like the culinary art of creating a smoothie. You take different types of fruits, each with its unique flavor, and blend them together to create a delicious, nutrient-rich beverage. Similarly, data blending involves taking data from various sources and merging them into a single, unified view. It differs from the traditional data integration methods in that it allows users to combine data on the fly without the need for a lengthy ETL, extract, transform, load process. To better understand the application of data blending, let's delve into a case study of a marketing analytics firm. This firm, let's call it MarketBlend, specializes in targeted campaigns. They gather customer data from a variety of channels: online shopping sites, social media platforms, customer relationship management systems, and more. Previously, MarketBlend would spend a significant amount of time and resources on the ETL process to integrate this data. They were looking for a quicker, more efficient solution, and that's when they discovered data blending. With data blending, MarketBlend was able to combine their disparate data sources in real time. This gave them a more comprehensive view of their customers' behaviors and preferences. They could see how a customer interacts with their brand across multiple platforms, all in a single view. For instance, they could see if a customer who frequently likes their posts on social media also makes frequent purchases on their online store. This allowed them to create highly targeted campaigns, boosting their conversion rates and ultimately their bottom line. Moreover, by reducing the time spent on data integration, MarketBlend could allocate more resources towards data analysis and strategy development. This allowed them to stay ahead of the competition and continually innovate their marketing strategies. In conclusion, data blending allowed MarketBlend to integrate their data more efficiently, gain deeper insights into their customer behaviors, and create more effective marketing campaigns. So, data blending is another powerful tool in our data integration arsenal. Moving on, we will discuss another method of data integration: data federation. In a world where data is king, data federation is a crucial part of the royal court. It's a technique that provides a unified view of data from multiple sources without the need for physical integration. It acts as a bridge, connecting various data silos and presenting them as one cohesive unit, without actually moving the data from its original location. Let's illustrate this concept with a case study. Imagine a healthcare organization, let's call it MedHealth. MedHealth has multiple providers, each with its own set of patient data. The challenge? Integrating this data to create a holistic view of patient care. Enter data federation. With this technique, MedHealth doesn't need to physically integrate data from each provider. Instead, it uses data federation to create a unified view of all patient data. When a doctor at MedHealth queries for a patient's record, the query is sent to all connected data sources. Each source then sends back the requested data, which is consolidated and presented as a unified patient record. The magic of data federation here is that it allows MedHealth to integrate data from various sources on the fly. It reduces the complexity and cost associated with traditional data integration methods. Plus, it gives healthcare providers real-time access to critical patient data, enabling them to make informed decisions and deliver better care. However, like any other method, data federation comes with its own set of challenges. It requires robust infrastructure to handle complex queries and large data volumes. It also needs sophisticated security measures to ensure data privacy and compliance. But with the right planning and execution, these challenges can be effectively managed. Data federation is a powerful tool in the data integration toolbox. It's like a master key, opening doors to various data sources and unlocking the potential of integrated data. Data federation, as we've seen, offers a unique approach to data integration. With great data comes great responsibility. Let's talk about security and privacy during the data integration process. In our data-driven world, ensuring the security and privacy of integrated data is paramount. It's like the secret ingredient in our recipe for success. Without it, we risk compromising the integrity of our data, and by extension, the trust of those whose information we hold. Picture this: you're merging data from different sources, each with its own unique structure and security measures. This heterogeneity can pose challenges. For instance, how do you reconcile different encryption standards or handle sensitive data that's suddenly exposed during the integration process? These are real issues that need careful handling. But fear not, for every challenge, there's a best practice waiting to be discovered. Let's dive into a few. Firstly, employ data warehousing, blending, and federation methods. These techniques help harmonize disparate data, ensuring a cohesive and secure integration. But remember, the strength of your data fortress is only as strong as its weakest link. so ensure all integrated data adheres to the highest security standards. Secondly, use encryption and anonymization techniques to protect sensitive data. These cloak the data, making it unintelligible to unauthorized eyes. Also, consider employing differential privacy, a system that allows the use of data in aggregate without exposing individual records. It's like enjoying the forest view without having to identify each tree. Lastly, keep your strategies flexible and adaptable. Data integration is a dynamic field. New threats emerge as quickly as new solutions, and it's crucial to stay a step ahead. Regular audits and updates to your security protocols can help you maintain a robust defense. Remember, in the realm of data integration, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. It's about understanding the unique requirements of your data landscape and tailoring your security measures accordingly. Security and privacy, though challenging, are non-negotiable facets of data integration. Our responsibility is not just to integrate data, but to do so in a way that respects and safeguards the privacy of individuals and the security of organizations. Because in the end, it's not just about the data we have, but how we handle it. Now that we know about different data integration methods, how do we evaluate their effectiveness? When it comes to evaluating data integration techniques, several key factors come into play. Let's delve into some of these criteria. Firstly, scalability. As your organization grows, so does the volume of data. Therefore, an effective data integration technique should be capable of handling escalating amounts of data without compromising on performance. It should scale up seamlessly, accommodating the ever-growing data load. Performance is another crucial factor. Time is a precious commodity in today's fast-paced world. Your chosen data integration method should be efficient, minimizing the time taken to process and integrate data. The faster the data is integrated, the quicker it's available for analysis, leading to swift, data-driven decisions. Ease of use is another important consideration. A data integration method could be extremely powerful, but if it's overly complex and requires a high level of technical expertise, it may not be the best fit for your organization. The technique should be user-friendly, enabling your team to leverage its full potential without unnecessary complications. However, the most important factor is perhaps the fit. There are numerous data integration techniques out there, each with its strengths and weaknesses. But not every method will suit your organization's specific needs and resources. Some techniques might be perfect for large-scale enterprises, but not for small businesses. Some might be ideal for integrating structured data, but struggle with unstructured data. Therefore, understanding your organization's unique requirements and resources is key to choosing the right technique. A final point to consider is future-proofing. The world of data is dynamic, with new types of data sources and formats emerging regularly. Therefore, your chosen technique should be flexible and adaptable, capable of integrating new data types as they come along. Choosing the right data integration technique is a critical step towards efficient data management. So make sure to take the time to evaluate different techniques using these criteria, ensuring that the method you choose is not only effective today, but will continue to serve your organization well into the future. Data integration is a rapidly evolving field. So, how do we stay updated? As we delve into the seventh scene of our discussion, it's crucial to grasp the significance of keeping pace with the ever-changing trends in data integration technology and practice. In the world of data, what was game-changing yesterday may be obsolete tomorrow. This dynamism is driven by the constant quest for better, faster, and more efficient ways to handle data. Staying current with these trends not only equips you with the best tools and methods for managing data, but also gives you an edge in devising innovative solutions to complex data problems. So, what are some of the recent developments stirring up the data integration landscape? First, we have the rise of real-time data integration. With the increasing demand for immediate insights, the traditional batch processing approach is being replaced by real-time data processing techniques. This shift allows businesses to access and analyze data as it is generated, providing instant insights and enabling swift decision-making. Second, there's the growing trend of cloud-based data integration. As more and more organizations migrate their operations to the cloud, the need for robust, scalable, and flexible data integration solutions has become paramount. Cloud-based integration platforms offer the advantage of easy scalability and improved collaboration, making them a preferred choice for many businesses. Lastly, we see the emergence of artificial intelligence and machine learning in data integration. These technologies are being used to automate the integration process, predict integration issues, and provide smart recommendations, thereby enhancing the efficiency and accuracy of data integration. As we navigate through these exciting times, it's important to remember that the key to staying updated is continuous learning. Attend webinars, enroll in courses, read industry publications, and engage in discussions with fellow data practitioners. Remember, in the world of data, learning never stops. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep integrating. Tomorrow, there will be new methods, new technologies, and new challenges. But armed with knowledge and a passion for learning, you'll be ready to tackle them head on. As we wrap up, let's revisit the key points we've covered. Data integration isn't just about merging data from different sources. It's about understanding the principles and techniques to combine data harmoniously, enabling us to unlock insights that are greater than the sum of their parts. It's about seeing the bigger picture. We delved into various methods of data integration, from data warehousing, where data is gathered and managed under one roof, to data blending and data federation, where data is combined from disparate sources in a more flexible, ad hoc manner. Each method has its own strengths and contexts where it shines. But as we learned, data integration isn't just about the how, it's also about the who and the why. It's a complex operation that requires careful coordination and management, especially when dealing with large-scale projects. It's about strategizing and planning, making sure every piece of data finds its place in the grand scheme of things. And of course, let's not forget the critical aspect of security and privacy. In this era of information, where data is often referred to as the new oil, ensuring the protection of data during the integration process is not just an afterthought. It's a priority. It's about building trust and ensuring that our data integration efforts are not just effective, but also ethical and responsible. We also touched upon the importance of evaluating our data integration techniques. There's no one-size-fits-all solution in this field. It's about finding the right tool for the job and constantly assessing and improving our approach. It's about being efficient, being effective, and being adaptable. Last but not least, we discussed the importance of staying updated with the latest trends and developments in data integration technology and practice. It's a rapidly evolving field, and keeping our finger on the pulse ensures that we're always prepared for whatever challenges or opportunities come our way. Remember, in the realm of data, integration isn't just a technique, it's a strategy for success.